Put the board down. Put the sticks down. Put it down. Stop.
September 2025 ओक्लाहोमा सिटी पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट को मल्टीपल 911 कॉल्स आती
City Police Department. How can I help you?
Hi, my name is I live on Southwest 64th Terrace, and across the street from my house, like catty cornered across the street, there's a male outside in front of somebody's house, in front of their fence, and he's out there just screaming and hollering. And
You said it's across from your house?
Catty cornered across from my house. And
Okay.
I live at, I'm sorry, Southwest 64th Terrace. And I don't see anybody else out there. It is dark. But he is carrying on screaming and hollering, cussing, and something about beat them and calling somebody a I mean, all kinds of stuff. And I have to leave for work in about 30 minutes or so, and I'm afraid to go out my door.
Oklahoma City 911. What's the address of your emergency?
Hey, there's a guy making a disturbance outside of the house, or it's next door. Sounds like he's making threats to the neighbor.
What the address is?
Southwest 64th.
Southwest 54th?
64th.
64th.
64th Terrace.
Okay.
Yeah, he's making threats about the kids and stuff, but I can't see him talking to anybody inside of the house, or because he's right outside the gates.
Is there somebody out there with him, or is it just him?
I can't see anyone else besides him.
Okay, you said he was making threats?
Yeah, he's making threats about killing someone.
लोग रिपोर्ट करते हैं कि एक आदमी स्ट्रीट के बीच खड़ा है और चिल्ला रहा है और बच्चों को गालियां दे रहा है। लोकेशन साउथ वेस्ट 64 टेरेट। जब ऑफिसर वहां पहुंचते हैं, उन्होंने देखा एक आदमी सड़क के बीच खड़ा हुआ है। नाम जेसन रेडशर्ट, 45 ईयर्स ओल्ड। ऑफिसर उससे कामली बात करने की कोशिश करता है, लेकिन जेसन गुस्से में आ जाता है, ऑफिसर को गाली देता है और रेसिस्ट वर्ड यूज करता है।
What's going on, man?
What's going
on?
Oh, you're not. The hand of God is here,
What's going on?
Touch me and you'll die.
What's
touch
going
me
on?
and you'll die. You will not touch my son again, for I am his father.
What's going on, man?
I want to see you touch me. I want to see how much how it takes to piss you off. Because I'm going to kill you. You know I'm going to kill you. For you kill my son, you people think you're bad. The hand of God is right there. Look. Look. You want to see God and fresh. Right there. Look. That's where God is. That's right. You like those over there. Rape kids. So I'm going to make you go there and kill that.
What are you out here?
You are going to go kill that. Son, make him kill that.
I don't plan on killing
you.
You
Are going to. You are going to. Son, make him kill that.
Hey.
Why?
What's going on, man?
Nothing. Stay away with me.
No.
You come at me, mother. You're going to die. My son will not let you touch me because you will die when you
Where do you live at?
I have no home. I'm homeless, mother.
What are you doing over here?
You.
What are you doing over here?
What are you doing here?
Because you're out here
What are you doing? Because God is here, mother. I'm Jason Redshirt. I am a God. And you didn't know I was a God, huh? You goddamn police department. You didn't know you the God.
There's people trying to sleep.
I will kill you. You think you are buff. I will hit you once and kill you with one hit, mother.
There are people out here sleeping, man.
Them people, they're going to die today at 7 o'clock.
Why is that?
Because God is here and he's killing you all. Unless they repent. If you want to kneel on your knee, you can repent and go to heaven. Otherwise, you will die, and at 7 o'clock, you will be dead. No, tell your police department that you will die. Quit following me. I mean it. Touch me. Touch me. You will see my son smite you. You will touch me no more, because he don't like the way you do it. For you think you guys are cool.
Get back.
You.
Get back.
Oh, man.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Scream with that mason.
Turn around, man.
Kill me.
Put the board down. Put the boards, put the sticks down. Put it down. Stop.
No more, because he don't like.
जब सस्पेक्ट ऑफिसर के ऊपर अटैक करने आता है तो ऑफिसर अपने सेल्फ डिफेंस में पेपर स्प्रे यूज करता है। जेसन कुछ सेकंड के लिए पीछे हट जाता है लेकिन दोबारा से और गुस्से में आ जाता है और साइड में पड़े हुए कंस्ट्रक्शन बोर्ड को उठा के ऑफिसर की तरफ फेंक के मारता है। ऑफिसर दोबारा से पेपर स्प्रे यूज करता है लेकिन जेसन रुकता नहीं है। वहां ग्राउंड पर पड़ी हुई ब्रिक उठाता है और ऑफिसर की तरफ फेंक के मारता है। वो ब्रिक सीधा ऑफिसर पर लगती है। ऑफिसर के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं बचता। वो अपना फायर आर्म निकालता है और मेडिकल टीम तुरंत साइड पर पहुंचती है और लकीली जेसन की जान बचा ली जाती है। ऑफिसर्स कंफर्म करते हैं कि उसके खिलाफ मल्टीपल चार्जेस फाइल हुए हैं, इंक्लूडेड असल्ट ऑन ए पुलिस ऑफिसर और पब्लिक डिस्टर्बेंस। बैकग्राउंड चेक में ये भी सामने आता है कि जेसन की मेडिकल हिस्ट्री थी। रिपोर्ट के मुताबिक वो अपनी मेडिकेशन पर नहीं था और कुछ पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम भी चल रही।